How to fix Messenger chat bubble hits not working on Android. Here is how. Initially open the Messenger from your home screen. Here tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner to open the menu. Then click on the settings icon to access the Messenger option. Moreover, look for the bubble option and click on it. Ensure all conversation is selected instead of the selected conversation. These settings ensure that the chat bubbles appear for all your chat. If the chat bubble still doesn't work, go back and open any conversation in the Messenger. Then tap on the contact name at the top of the chat. Likewise, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner to access the additional option. From the menu that appears, select Show as Bubble. That's it. This is how to fix Messenger chat bubble hits not working on Android.